Hi there! This video provides a short introduction into the topic of sites within PartnerNet. Creating sites in PartnerNet is a great way to keep an electronic record of all your pump installations. Sites improve your troubleshooting on site, improve the handling of warranty claims, and are an easy way to provide installation references for customers. Every site listed in PartnerNet provides information about an installed system linked to a physical location where that system is installed. For example, a ranch or a refugee camp. One site could have several systems. Each system is made up of components, such as a Lorentz controller, motor, pump end, and communicator. Sites and the Lorentz connected services are directly linked to one another. In other words, a site in PartnerNet must be created in order to use Pump Scanner and Lorentz Global. Let's take a look at what this looks like in PartnerNet. Once you are logged into PartnerNet, you can enter and edit sites by going to the Services tab here on the top left, or by clicking on the icon on the homepage called Sites. When using sites, you can either register a site using the button Quick Site Registration, or by clicking on Add a Site. Here, you can also view your pump monitoring credits for using Lorentz Global, which is our remote monitoring and management software. The difference between the Quick Site Registration and the Add a Site button is easily explained. When creating a site using the Quick Site Registration option, basic information about your site is required, such as the site name, date of installation, location, and components. By entering this information, you are then given access to the Lorentz Connected portfolio. The second option for creating a site is the Add a Site option. This allows you to use this service to the full extent, getting the maximum value out of this tool. This option allows you to enter further details about the application, as well as detailed project descriptions. Start here by entering a new site name, which is logical and easy to find in the future. Make sure that all categories marked in red are complete. Once a site is created, you can always view or edit the information by simply clicking on this blue arrow here. By clicking on the red X, you are able to delete a site if you wish, as you can see here. If you perhaps have several sites and you need to find one, you can simply search for it using the search function here. So, let's take a look at one example site. This one here is called Reception Demo HU. The first bit of information shows us the different systems which are part of this site. You can edit or delete these at any time using the blue arrow and the red X on the right-hand side. At the top of the page, you'll notice that there are many tabs which allow you to add information about your site, including data and pictures. The Reference tab is where you can enter installation information if you want your site to be published as a reference on the Lorentz website. Once approved by the Lorentz team, this information is then displayed on the website under References, which you can see here. Publishing references is a great way to showcase your work to current and future customers. The tab called Customers can be used if you would like to link or assign customers to your site. For this, simply click Assign Customer to Site. You can also raise a ticket related to the site if necessary and add notes about the site. If at any time you would like to get an overview of your sites, you can simply click on this Back to Overview button, where you can then see all of your sites listed, as well as the tab options at the top, which allow you to register a site and also view your pump monitoring credits. That basically sums up the process for setting up a site in PartnerNet. As you can see, it's not that difficult, right? So, let's summarize briefly. Sites offer our partners the infrastructure to organize sold pumps without the need to invest in their own hardware and software. We hope that you find this tool useful. If any questions come up, don't hesitate to reach out to your local Lorentz channel manager. Thanks a lot for listening.